Habits are the brain's way of conserving energy. At the core of this system lies the basal ganglia, a cluster of structures responsible for automatic routines and procedural memory. When an action is repeated often enough, neural circuits strengthen through a process called long-term potentiation. Over time, the prefrontal cortex, which normally handles decision-making, hands control over to the basal ganglia. The behavior shifts from conscious choice to automatic execution. Neuroscientists describe this as the cue-routine-reward loop. The cue activates the striatum, the routine is carried out almost unconsciously, and the dopamine system delivers a reward signal that reinforces the loop. This is why habits feel effortless once formed. The brain encodes them as efficient shortcuts. Breaking a habit, however, is not simply erasing a pathway. Old neural circuits rarely disappear, they go dormant. The prefrontal cortex must re-engage, overriding the automatic impulse with deliberate effort. New routines must be installed in parallel, creating fresh circuits that can compete with the old ones. What makes habit change difficult is timing. Under stress or fatigue, the prefrontal cortex weakens and the brain falls back on established basal ganglia patterns. This is why people often relapse when they're overwhelmed. The brain defaults to efficiency over effort. The neuroscience of habits reveals a hard truth. You don't delete them, you build over them. The old pathways remain etched in the brain, but with persistence, new ones can take priority, reshaping daily life through repetition and reinforcement.